What's the formula to being deeply respected by men? Ever mulled over it? Look no further. In this video, we're unveiling 7 essential secrets every woman should master to earn the respect of the man in her life and captivate their hearts. Trust me, these principles have been tried, tested, and have consistently shown their power. So get cozy, stay attentive, and prepare for a transformative boost in your relationship dynamics. You won't want to miss a moment of this. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Rule number 1. Respect yourself. Yes, you've probably heard this before, but trust me, it's the bedrock of everything. When you truly respect yourself, you'll exude a confidence that's utterly irresistible to men. Wondering about the specifics of self-respect? Here's the lowdown. It's about having unwavering self-worth and rock-solid self-esteem. It's the courage to stand firm, even when it feels like the world is against you. Embrace your uniqueness and never let anyone dictate your self-worth. Prioritize honesty and never compromise on what you truly deserve. Recognize your worth and ensure no one ever belittles you. Ready to embark on this journey of admiration? Darling, it all starts with wholeheartedly accepting yourself. Once you do, they'll be eager to treat you like royalty. Rule number 2. Speak your mind. We've touched on the importance of self-respect, right? Now let's delve into the next rule. Speaking your mind. This one's a game changer. Men genuinely admire women who are transparent and sincere about their feelings and perspectives. It's a testament to your confidence and your willingness to let your voice be heard. And honestly, who wants someone who just agrees without ever making a stand? That's not exciting at all. Men deeply respect women brave enough to express their feelings, even if it means stepping on some toes. But remember, while it's essential to voice your thoughts, it's equally vital to do so with grace. You wouldn't want to come off as abrasive. Instead, be genuine and direct. Express yourself in a calm yet assertive manner, and you'll have men hanging on your every word. And the bonus: being vocal not only earns you respect from men, but also boosts your own confidence and empowerment. So take the leap. Let your genuine thoughts shine, and watch the admiration flow in. Rule number 3. Set boundaries. Let's delve into the magic of setting boundaries. Trust me, this is where the true allure lies. Gaining a man's respect requires clear boundaries. It's essential. Men respect women who know their limits and confidently assert them. They value those who are clear about their comfort zones and non-negotiables. This shows you're confident in your worth and won't allow anyone to take advantage or overshadow you. But here's the thing. Boundaries aren't just about gaining respect from men. They're foundational for your self-esteem. It's about being firm on what you can tolerate and what's a hard pass. It's about resisting manipulation and not being swayed by others. More than anything, it's about empowering yourself through assertiveness. Once you establish these boundaries, you'll not only gain men's respect, but also feel more in control of your life and relationships. So set those boundaries and watch respect surge in like a powerful wave. Rule number 4. Follow your own path. Men respect women with a clear vision and the bravery to pursue it. Such women don't let others steer their journey or dictate their choices, and this commands respect. They have their own goals and dreams, and they take bold steps to realize them, showcasing their ambition, determination, and a robust sense of self. But carving your own path isn't just about earning admiration from men. It's about living authentically, based on your values. Embrace the unfamiliar. Challenge the status quo fearlessly. Dare to be different and shine. Men respect women who unapologetically embrace their true selves and live by their own standards. The bonus? By charting your own course, you'll not only earn respect, but also find deeper joy and contentment in life. So, blaze your trail and watch as respect naturally follows. Rule number 5. Put your health and happiness first. As we approach the final, here's a vital rule. Prioritize your well-being and joy. Men respect women who uphold their health and happiness above all else. They appreciate those who live authentically, not defined by others. Women who make independent choices, not swayed by external pressures, exude a powerful sense of self and the courage to prioritize their own well-being. But remember, this isn't just about gaining men's respect. It's foundational for a fulfilling and harmonious life. Don't shy away from saying no when something doesn't align with your well-being. Prioritize yourself, even if it means disappointing someone else. Men respect women who cherish their own well-being above everything else. The icing on the cake: by putting your health and happiness at the forefront, you not only earn respect, but also achieve a more balanced and joyful life. So, prioritize yourself and see the respect flow effortlessly. Rule number 6. Speak out when you feel disrespected. You know that sinking feeling when someone belittles you, making you question your worth? It's truly disheartening. But here's the deal. You shouldn't tolerate such behavior. As an empowered woman, you deserve respect and dignity at all times. Remember, respect is earned, not just handed out. So if someone, be it a man or anyone else, fails to treat you right, don't hold back. Address it and make it clear that such behavior is unacceptable. Confrontation can be daunting, especially if you're not used to standing up for yourself. But believe me, it's far better than being a doormat. Silence in the face of disrespect is an open invitation for more of the same. The next time you feel undervalued, summon your inner strength. Address the issue calmly and assertively. You don't need to be aggressive. Clarity and firmness will suffice. Always remember, you're powerful and deserving. Ensure others recognize and treat you as such. Speaking out not only earns respect, but also paves the way for a more fulfilling life. Rule number 7. Prioritize self-love. And now, the grand final, the power of self-love. Men respect women who genuinely love and cherish themselves. They value those who treat themselves with kindness, forgive their own missteps, and embrace their unique quirks. Radiating self-worth and self-compassion is a testament to your character. Embracing self-love means being your own best friend, showing understanding when you stumble, and loving yourself without external validation. The best part, prioritizing self-love doesn't just resonate with men. It also enhances your self-worth and infuses joy into your life. So dive deep into self-love and watch as respect naturally follows. In conclusion, by integrating these 7 pivotal rules, you'll not only earn the respect of men, but also elevate your relationships and overall well-being. Don't delay. Begin implementing these principles today and observe the transformative impact on your interactions. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe,